So in this question, we're thinking about a practical application of our probability knowledge. So Hannah Montana is supporting BBC Children in Need, and she's running this game where contestants have to pay 20p just to play, and if they roll both dice, they're going to win £1 if they roll a total of at least 10. So to begin with, we were asked to use a possibility space to show that the probability of winning is 1/6. So once you've done your probability space, you have to think about the fact that we were looking for a total of 10, and we got that by combinations of 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6, 5, 6, and 6, 5. So that gave us 6 combinations out of 36. Now, lots of you did the possibility space very nicely, but if you just did the possibility space and didn't then give this fraction, then you wouldn't have got the full marks. A couple of you then said that that equaled 1/6, which was an excellent simplification, which we would like, but if you just went straight to 1/6 without showing this first, then you didn't get enough marks to say that you'd actually shown where it had come from. Right, part B then says how many people would Hannah expect to win? So she's expecting 180 people to play, and we know from part A that 1/6 of the time we're expecting people to win. So we're going to do 1/6 of 180, which we can do by doing 160 divided by 6, and using a short division method that comes out as 30 people we would expect to win. On part C, we were then asked how much money she would take from those 180 players. So we're going to do 180 times 20 pence, and that's going to come out as 3,600 pence. You might want to use Napier's multiplication with that, and you could either have it as pence, or you could divide by 100 and convert that into pounds, which would be 36 pounds, because we know that there are 100 pennies in a pound. Right, now we're on to part D, which says how much money would Hannah expect to give the winners in total. Now, we're expecting there to be 30 winners, and we're going to give them £1 each if they win. So if we do 30 times 1, that's going to give us £30. So she's going to expect to give £30 away to the winners. Now finally, we're looking at how much profit Hannah would expect to make. And profit is how much she receives from people, subtract how much she has to give out. So in part C, we worked out that she's going to get £36 coming into her, and then £30 is what she's got to give out. So her profit is going to be 36 minus 30, which is £6. Lots of you might have got what's called a follow-through mark here, called FT, because your teacher will have marked it correct if you did this answer, subtract this answer, but only in that order.